Our veteran Blessed Geza has expressed his full support for the upcoming teachers' protest, criticizing the administration of President Emerson Mnangagwa for its failure to revive the country's economy. Sanapinda mashoko atukunoti Bombshell Geza abuda pachena akati ineni I'm going to help my teachers kuti varatidzire even strike yavarikuda kuita aiwa vanyasoratidza kuti they are not being satisfied nemuhoro yavari kuwana. But the question now is, how is Geza going to support the teachers aiwa kuti varatidzire? Ndisati mashoko amudanyirwa panapa kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timina zimwe aiwa mudanyirwa muchinzi. Teachers, we have long been voicing their dissatisfaction over low wages and poor working conditions, are planning to stage protests on March 28, 2025 to highlight the ZANU-PF's regime inability to address their grievances. In a statement released over the weekend, Geza made his position clear, addressing rumors that he was not supportive of the protest. Quotes, "It has come to my attention that there are some people claiming that I don't support the proposed protest by teachers on 20 March 2025. I firmly support them and any other protest planned in the build-up to March 31. Together we stand," Geza said. Geza, who has been an outspoken critic of the government handling of the economy, emphasizes the importance of solidarity in the face of economic hardships. His endorsement of protests comes at a time when various sectors, including teachers and other public workers, have grown increasingly frustrated with the government's inability to improve their living conditions or address the economic challenges facing the nation. As teachers prepare to take the streets, Geza's support adds weight to their cause, which calls for better wages, improved working conditions, and a stronger commitment from government to revitalize the economy. Thomas Kamuda Panapanu convinces Iowa. Pangwa in it, Ronald Bombshell Geza, Ajiti is going to take part in support my teachers, my protests. Panabajans the people they are now starting from there. But you know, the chat of my teachers, which have a reflection, let's just wait again so that they want to match. Tudzima funguro enyi motulipa msoro pechitwechi. Pina comment section edu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.